Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Neve preamp. We'll start by understanding its core function, boosting microphone and instrument signals. Neve preamps are celebrated for their unique sonic character, adding warmth and depth to your recordings. Learning to properly set the gain and output levels is crucial for capturing pristine audio. This guide will help you unlock the full potential of these iconic devices. Proper gain staging is the first critical step when using a Neve preamp. Begin by connecting your audio source to the appropriate input. Then, carefully adjust the input gain knob to bring your signal up to a healthy level. A good starting point is often around -18 dBFS to -12 dBFS on your meter. This ensures a strong signal without introducing unwanted clipping or distortion, preserving the preamp's rich tone. Once your input gain is set, you'll manage the output level using the dedicated fader. This controls how much signal goes to your recording device. Many Neve preamps also feature a phase reverse switch, useful for correcting phase issues between multiple microphones. Additionally, some models include a simple, yet powerful, 2-band or 3-band equalizer. Use this to gently shape your sound, perhaps rolling off some low end with the high-pass filter. To truly master your Neve preamp, consider experimenting with its features. Some units offer variable input impedance, which can subtly alter the microphone's tone. Don't be afraid to gently drive the preamp a little harder to achieve a beautiful, natural saturation that Neve is famous for. Always monitor your audio closely, listening for clarity and character. Ultimately, your ears are your best tool for dialing in the perfect sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.